Hello, I have come up with a very exciting development that allows for very accurate paper positioning of the gel plate alignment tool. In the video, I present the finished device, and next to it, you can see the manufacturing process in detail. In this way, it is very easy to track how the tool should be guided, and when the paper was positioned accurately, as well as when there were possible errors. During the creation and use of the tool, I will show all the steps in detail so that viewers can easily follow and understand the process. In addition, I will share my experiences and advice on how to make the most of this tool at work. I hope that the video will inspire you and help you with accurate paper positioning. If you have any questions about the video, don't hesitate to ask.
The sun to stand still.